What's up? Good morning. What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created that loop, that drill loop in flstudiomobile. So it's fire. I still can't believe I made that. Like, wow, phew. The power of flstudiomobile. Sheesh. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna start showing you the loop, then I will move to the drums. So first thing first, I hope the volume is audible so that you can catch everything that I'm doing. So I started with the keyboard. I started with the keyboard. I started with the root note. My root note at first it was D minor natural. Then I moved because I had to pitch it down. So I was like, yo, I had to pitch on this beat. I started knowing something about pitch, like it's very important. So as you can see, let me switch off the effect and then show you how I made this crazy loop. Like, god damn. So now I played it without effects. So as I said, I started with the D minor natural. Then I had to like it does two notes, D and C, and then I had to add top notes so that it can give it that bounce, and then the notes in between. And then when I add effects now, um I started with the EQ equalizers, very good. I had to cut the high frequencies and the low frequencies and the mids, some of the mids. And after that, I I added after that I added another EQ. Let's see how it sound. Then the tenor for the to find the key of of what I'm doing, and I added the space. Your FX space just changed my loop to a whole new level, man. Um, yeah, that thing that's pretty it. I added the level so that the volume will be audible. And the next thing that I added, guys, was this vocal. As this vocal from dripscott.com. Like, I had to reverse it, I had to reverse it because I didn't want it to be long, just because it's a drill beat and like a piano beat where like it's good when it's long, or like a trap beat. So I had to reverse this vocal, then I added a reverb to give it a full space, and then I added an EQ. The EQ should be there. I had to cut the mids in this vocal. The next thing, I had to add the texture. This is a reverse sound. I don't know what it is, but when I played it, it sounded good to me, and then I had to edit. It just suit this particular loop at the moment. Then the last thing I added was this synthesizer, just to get the loop going so that it doesn't yeah, synthesizer is a piano bell. It's a bell, a piano bell. It's good, yo, man, it's so good. Then that's it for the loop. Then the last thing was to pitch it down from D minor natural to A major, A major, and then yeah. So right now, my beautiful friends, let me show you how I pitched this loop down from D minor to A major. I pitched it 5 semitones lower, so that because like it's drill beat and it has to be dark, and most of the time I'm like, if when I'm making trap beats, all my stuff like are dark, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, the loop is in D minor at the moment, but if I can pitch it down, it becomes A major, -5, and then you see I pitched it down. It changes the whole vibe. It changes everything. It changes the keyboard. It changes the piano bell and the texture sound and the vocal. So that's it. And then when you make the drums, you just have to make sure that you change also the key of the 808, because this is a drill. No, the 808, because this is drill. That's it. I think that's it. That's all I did. All that's left is to add the drum on this loop, and yeah, man, more stuff coming. And I'm gonna make this loop free because it's been a while since I made like free loops and stuff. But yeah, you can get the loop on description. Now let me show you how I added the drums. Bro, like when it comes to drums, you just gotta make it simple, because like the melody is always, I mean, the melody is vibing, you see, so you just have to make it simple. I added the snare, the hi-hats, and the counter snare, and more snare, and a jab is a jab. The And after that, last but not least, bruh, is the kick. The drill beat, the kick has to bang, it has to hit hard. I don't know if in the beginning of the video it was clipping, but like the kick has to hit, clip, cut through the mix, like whatever. It's a drill, you know what I'm saying? The kick has to hit and it has to beat you out. I mean, it has to hit the shit out of you. So that's it for the drums. Let me go show you how I made the 808 slides. Yeah, man, the 808 slides, the last thing I did on this beat. Just gotta go with the flow, man. Like, don't do too much. And then follow the root note. I told you I pitched this loop down from D to A. So when you follow the root note, everything goes well. I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for me, like and comment in my videos. More videos coming soon. And yeah, man, don't forget to get the loop and create it your own way. Make your beats, and maybe you can send me stuff on my email. I don't know. Yeah. So see you on the next video. I got like crazy tutorials coming right up. I just made it drill because it's been a while, you feel me? So thank you guys, thank you for subscribing. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. Let's keep going. Thank you.